Now for this month's tech tip, we're not going to get into detail about programming CVs or anything like that, but what we are going to do is we're going to give you a little bit of an insight onto some things that we've got coming up. Now this month we're going to Chicago for the mid-March O-Scale meet, and for this show we needed to set up a couple of models that we could display showing off our TSU-4400 decoder. So in the process, we've actually done these installations over the course of the last few weeks, and so we're going to be putting together a step-by-step installation video on how we did this O-Scale RS3. Now when we did the Steam decoder, there was a little bit of exploration, so we weren't really ready to shoot a video on it right away. But as you can see here in this photograph, we did the installation and we used the coal bunker to become the speaker housing. So if you have any questions about the installation, please give us a call and we'll do our best to help you out. Well, that's everything we've got for you this month, so be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more detailed and more tips and hints of how to use the decoder. Also be sure to like and follow our Facebook page, where we've been posting short little video clips and also some informational tidbits on there to help you with your use of the decoder. Also, you can use that to help interact, but nothing replaces the phone call to our full-time tech support. So for more information, please visit our website at SoundTraxx.com, where you'll find links to everything we've just discussed.